We're out here in Johnson Valley, and we are with the Fox team. We're with the Fox executives, and we're going over our trophy truck school, going over our itineraries, our curriculum, and doing kind of a shakedown rundown with all of these trucks. So we have 4 spec trucks out here. We have the dedicated Fox factory truck for the school. We have 2 FFTs over here, the Fox factory trucks, and also 2 UTVs. So we're doing education. We're doing what we do out here a lot. Driver education. We're learning about safety. We're learning about vehicle techniques, driving techniques, how to function the FFT trucks, how to use 4-wheel drive, when to use 4-wheel drive, the other features on them like locking diffs, the added features that the specific trucks have to them, showing them the limits, and also transitioning over the race trucks and doing the exact same thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's you know, everybody wants to go fast. Everybody thinks they're going to go fast, and they get in the truck and they're like, "Oh shit, this is a crazy monster I'm driving," right? So we've had guys. It's really cool. We have guys that they're doing 39 miles an hour around our course, right? And you're like, I'm telling them, I don't know if this guy's going to make it. This is going to be tough. And you know, a year later, he's getting top 5 in the series, right? So it's a pretty cool progression to see them do this. I think by the Brenthels doing it this way, it's made them stand out and made them actually sell a lot more trucks, because there's no other system that's out there that, you know, I get guys and I'm like, why did you pick a Brenthel truck? You could go, there's 3 or 4 other companies. Like, well, I just figured everybody else that was buying these trucks, that they weren't actual racers. They were just everyday guys racing a truck. So that's kind of how they came about it, you know.
And you see that in racing where it's kind of legacies, like the granddad, the dad, the son, and the only way you can break out of that is to get people who've never done it to actually experience it and get into the sport, versus otherwise it gets narrow. It's very inbred.
And that's Jordan and I, exactly, right? We're one
First
of very
generation,
few
first generation dirt, off-road, anything.
Racers.
Yeah.
The norm in this whole industry is Grandpa did it, my great-grandpa did it, my dad did it, and he taught me. I mean, going on from here, that'll be the case with our kids, but...
So when Mike and I started talking, when Justin and I started talking, the thing that attracted us to you guys was the arrive and drive, was the experience component of what you guys did.
Yeah.
And recognizing you shift the whole dynamic and the whole narrative once somebody sits in those things and learns what they can do.
Yeah.
I mean, that's 1,000% right, because every single person, I don't care, I've done everybody from IndyCar drivers, NASCAR drivers, you know, helicopter guys. Everybody thinks that they're going to go fast in these trucks, and they're like little tiny bitches when they get behind that. So it's an eye opener, and that experience you cannot buy.
All right, we are out here today introducing the Trophy Truck School. What's Trophy Truck School? What's it all about, right? A little bit about it is a program where you can come out and off-road racing school to drive a trophy truck. You can also drive a UTV, but it's a lot more than just being able to drive one of these things. It's about the education.
So one leg, and then
second leg before you get the bottom.
What are you about to do, Jonathan?
Probably something that's not a good idea. We're going to let Tom here drive a trophy truck for the first time.
How hard can it be? What's the big deal? 6-1. Here we go.
oh yeah.
Where are you guys off to, Jordan?
Okay.
We're gonna go off to show Travis Barker Blink-182 a Fox factory truck. Show it off and see if we can get him one.
You just picking him up in it?
I don't even know that much. We just got out of trophy trucks, hop in this guy, and we're gonna head over there.
Have
Check
fun.
it out.